for the image in the CSS. So we use the flex again for the display. And each image there is a 20 pixel from all the side. Now we have an image hover. So when the mouse cursor go on the image, its opacity will be half, and there is a transition for that. There is one small problem, is the size of the images. If you don't want to change them in the photo editing softwares, you can here use the max width. I use the max width of the 300 pixels, so all the pictures will be in the 300 pixel size. So now everything looks good.